Good day, applicant A1200332.
Good day, ma'am, sir.
Can you introduce yourself?
I am Maria Isabel T. Alido.
How old are you?
I'm 27 years of age.
What's your marital status?
I'm a single parent.
What's your religion?
I'm a Roman Catholic.
What's your address?
J. Nazareth Drive, Butik, Zamboanga City.
What's your mother and father's name?
My father's name is Medardo T. Alido, and my mother's name is Isidra T. Alido.
What's the name of your children?
Eliza Harmel Alido, Mark Chester Paul Alido, and I.C. Nicole Andrea Alido.
Where did you study in high school and college?
I studied in high school, Claret High School, Zamboanga City. In college, Brent Hospital and Colleges Incorporated. I took up midwifery course.
Do you have any working experience as domestic helper in the Philippines or abroad?
I worked here in the Philippines for 2 years. I took the elderly, my patient. I feed the patient. I do morning care.
Do you have any hobbies?
I listen to music, cooking, and using computers.
Why do you want to go abroad?
I want to help my family with their financial needs.
Do you have any message to your future employer?
Sir, ma'am, if you choose me, I'm a good person, honest person, trustworthy, and I'm willing to follow your directions.
Thank you and good luck!